Did you know that the sun hits our planet with enough energy in just 1 hour to power the entire world for a full year? It's a mind-blowing thought, but the real challenge is how we capture that power when we're out in the middle of nowhere. If you're tired of your devices dying during a camping trip or worrying about blackouts at home, you are in the right place. Today, we are breaking down the absolute best portable solar panels of 2026 to see which ones actually live up to the hype. Whether you're a van lifer or a weekend warrior, I've compared these head to head so you can stop guessing and start charging. All the links are in the description below, so let's dive into the rankings. Number 6, BALDR ATEM Power 200 watts portable solar panel, HPBC tech. Now, if you want to talk about cutting edge tech that looks like it's from the future, the ATEM Power 200 watts is flipping the script with its HPBC. That's hybrid passivated back contact cell technology. By moving all those messy metal contacts to the back of the panel, they've cleared the way for a massive 25.8% efficiency rating, which is honestly one of the highest numbers we've seen in the portable market this year. This panel is a blanket style, meaning it's ultra flexible and folds down to a tiny fraction of its size, making it way easier to tuck behind a car seat than the rigid folding styles. When you compare this to the BALDR or even the Jackery, the ATEM Power wins on space saving every single time. It even comes with a genuine 20 ampere MPPT controller, which is a massive upgrade because it can squeeze up to 20% more energy out of the sun during those annoying overcast days. The build uses a self-cleaning ETFE coating that's incredibly resistant to cracking, so it can handle some rough treatment. The trade-off? There are no built-in kickstands, so you'll need to drape it over your windshield or hang it from your RV using the reinforced loops. It's also a bit more techy to set up with its Anderson plugs and separate controller, which might feel a little intimidating if you're a total beginner. But for my serious overlanders who are tight on space but need maximum efficiency, this thing is a game changer. Would you trade integrated kickstands for a 25% efficiency boost, or is the easy setup more important to you? I'm curious to hear your thoughts. This is a rugged, high-efficiency beast that's perfect for long-term off-grid travelers who need every watt they can get. Number 4, eco-worthy 200-watt portable solar panel. For those of you who want maximum bang for your buck without sacrificing durability, the eco-worthy 200-watt is like the reliable workhorse of the solar world. It uses grade A monocrystalline cells with PERC technology to hit a solid 23% efficiency. And what I love is the one-piece lamination process that gives it an IP65 waterproof rating. This means it's a bit more weather hardy than some of its competitors, making it a great choice for emergency backup or messy camping trips. One of the best design features here is the 4 kickstand system. You can literally have this thing deployed and angled perfectly in about 10 seconds flat. Compared to the more expensive brands, the eco-worthy delivers almost identical real-world output, but it does come with a bit of a weight penalty at around 22 pounds. It's definitely on the heavier side for a 200-watt panel, which is something to consider if you're setting it up and moving it frequently. Another thing to watch out for is that the cells face outward when folded, so you'll definitely want a protective case to keep them from getting scratched in transit. However, with its 3-in-1 cable that supports XT60, DC7909 and DC8020, it's one of the most compatible panels right out of the box, fitting almost every major power station brand like EcoFlow or Bluetti. It's a no-nonsense, rugged solution for anyone who cares more about performance than a fancy logo. Does weight matter to you when you're car camping? Or are you just looking for the fastest charge possible? Drop a comment below. It's highly recommended for anyone on a budget who still needs a dependable, high-wattage kit that can survive the rigors of the trail. Number 3. ALLPOWERS SP037 400-watt portable solar panel. Are you running a full-sized fridge, a laptop, and maybe even an AC unit off-grid? If so, 200 watts just isn't going to cut it. you need the solar farm in a box known as the ALLPOWERS SP037 400 watts. This thing is an absolute monster, featuring 5 massive foldable sections that can pump out up to 385 watts in real-world direct sunlight. To put that in perspective, it can charge those massive high-capacity power stations in half the time of the other panels on this list. It's built like a tank with an IP66 waterproof rating, meaning it can laugh off a heavy rainstorm while you're inside staying dry. When you compare this to the EcoFlow 400 watt panel, the ALLPOWERS actually pulls ahead because it includes built-in adjustable kickstands for precise tracking, whereas the EcoFlow often makes you use the carrying case as a stand, which can be a total pain in the wind. The value for money here is incredible, as it usually costs significantly less than its competitors while including a full suite of adapters. Now, let's be real. This thing is heavy, weighing in between 30 and 40 pounds, and it spans over 8 feet when fully unfolded. You're going to need a big, flat area and maybe a friend to help you set it up. It's definitely not for the casual hiker, but for van lifers or homeowners building an emergency backup system, this is the gold standard for energy independence. Is 400 watts overkill for your setup, or are you the type who wants to power the whole neighborhood? Let me know. If you don't mind the extra weight, the raw power and weather resistance make this a top-tier choice for serious users. Number 2. GRECELL 100 watt solar panel, IP67 waterproof. Sometimes bigger isn't always better, especially if you're a solo traveler or have a smaller power station. And that's where the GRECELL 100 watts really shines. This is arguably the most polished 100 watt panel I've tested this year, boasting an impressive 24% conversion efficiency from its high-quality monocrystalline cells. What really sets the GRECELL apart from the famous Jackery Solar Saga 100 watts is its superior weatherproofing. It has a full IP67 rating, making it completely dustproof and even capable of surviving brief submersion in water. Most panels in this category have a cloth backing that gets soggy and gross, but the GRECELL uses a robust one-piece lamination that's scratch-resistant and built to last. It's incredibly easy to carry, folding into a slim briefcase with a comfortable non-slip handle. In real-life use, it performs remarkably well even in cold or slightly overcast conditions, which is exactly what you want when you're out in the elements. It comes with a 4-in-1 adapter kit and MC4 connectors, so it'll work with 98% of power stations on the market. The only minor downsides are that the ETFE coating can be a bit reflective if you don't angle it just right. And at 10 pounds, it's a bit heavy for extreme ultralight backpacking. But for van travel or RVing, it strikes the perfect balance between portability and high-end performance. Do you prefer a small, ultra-portable setup like this, or would you rather carry the extra weight for more power? This GRECELL is a standout value for money, providing top-tier ruggedness that most small panels just can't match. Number 1. SOKIOVOLA 200 watts N-type 16BB portable solar panel. If you want the absolute pinnacle of solar technology in 2026, the SOKIOVOLA 200 watt N-type 16BB is the undisputed king of the hill. This panel is using next-gen N-type cells with 16 busbar technology. If that sounds like jargon, all you need to know is that it hits a massive 25% efficiency and handles low light conditions better than anything else on this list. It's designed to be more stable, resisting the tiny micro cracks that usually kill solar panels over time. But the real mic drop feature? It has a built-in controller with a 65 watt USB CPD port, which means you can plug your MacBook or phone directly into the panel and fast charge them without even needing a power station. When compared to the industry standard Jackery 200 watts, the SOKIOVOLA offers higher efficiency, better waterproofing, IP68, and direct-to-device charging that the Jackery just doesn't have. It's a bifold design that's easy to manage, weighing about 15.6 pounds, making it surprisingly portable for the amount of tech packed inside. While it might come with a slight price premium because of that N-type tech, the faster recharge times and incredible durability make it worth every penny for overlanders and survivalists. It even includes a 5-in-1 cable for universal compatibility with EcoFlow, Bluetti, and more. This is the panel I would take if I were heading into the harshest environments and needed power I could truly depend on. What do you think? Is that built-in USB-C charging a feature you'd actually use? Or do you always go through a power station? This is the ultimate recommendation for anyone who wants the fastest, most durable charging solution available today. All the links are in the description below, so go ahead and check those out if you're ready to upgrade your off-grid game. If this comparison helped you figure out which panel is right for your adventures, do me a huge favor. Hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our next deep dive into the best gear of 2026. I want to hear from you. Which one of these would you trust for your next trip? Drop a comment below and let's get the conversation started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.